Some info on item. EDIMENS leather bands compatible with Apple Watch 42mm 44mm band men women. Vintage genuine leather wristband replacement band for iWatch Apple Watch Series 654321, SE Sports and Edition, Retro Iron Gray. April 1, 2021. Cost, $11.90. Purchased on Amazon's website. Suitable model: the Grain Leather Band compatible with Apple Watch 42mm and Apple Watch 44mm. Suitable for iWatch 42mm and iWatch 44mm Series 5, Series 4, Series 3, Series 2 and Series 1. Sports and Edition quality. This Apple Watch band's 42mm leather made of unique Crazy Horse vintage grain leather wristbands with classic stainless steel buckle, soft smooth touch feeling, very comfortable on your wrist. Note the color may vary somewhat because the natural variability of the leather, it is normal appearance. Available size. This Apple Watch 42mm bands are suitable for 6.1 to 8.0 inch, 155mm to 205mm, wrist, imple but attractive, look fantastic and giving a retro look on any occasion. The unique allochroic design is seeking to make a difference. Strap features. This dressy Apple Watch 42mm bands comes with stainless steel connectors on both ends. It is convenient to lock onto Apple iWatch precisely and remove easily. A variety of colors and styles for you to choose, which will give your watch a different look. They are also suitable to any occasion. Package included: a genuine leather strap for Apple Watch 42mm Series 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 44mm Series 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not include any watch and parcel. Product description. Apple Watch 42mm bands, Apple Watch 44mm bands, Apple Watch band leather men. Apple Watch 42mm bands, Apple Watch 44mm bands, Apple Watch band leather men. Apple Watch 42mm bands, Apple Watch 44mm bands, Apple Watch band leather men. Apple Watch 42mm bands, Apple Watch 44mm bands, Apple Watch band leather men. Superior quality materials. Made of high quality genuine leather. Secure, refined, durable, and comfortable all in one. It will never out of fashion. Fashion craftsmanship. Classic craftsmanship ensure the band's quality and fit your wrist. Excellent in workmanship. EDIMENS watch band uses fashionable leather style with classic stainless steel buckle in workmanship, convenient and easy to interchange. Apple Watch 42mm bands, Apple Watch 44mm bands, Apple Watch band leather men. Conda. Q. It is for Apple Watch 44mm? Yes, it fit well for iWatch 42mm, Apple Watch 44mm Series 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, SE. Q. Will the watch strap be easily separated? Don't worry about this. This watch strap is very compatible with the iWatch and will not be separated from it. Q. Is this strap big color difference? I know, this watch band is produced and checked by every link. We have enough confidence that you will be satisfied with the products you receive. Q. My wrist is 7.5 inches, does it fit my wrist? Yes, the size is 6.1 to 8.0, it perfect fit your wrist. Q. Are you a variety of colors? Yes, we have many color for you choose, such the retro brown, classic black, orange brown, chocolate maroon, tangerine,